Hey, curious people. Welcome to Learning Churning, where we dive into fascinating topics that shape our world. Today, we're exploring a pivotal moment in history, how the domestication of animals transformed human life and laid the groundwork for civilization as we know it. Let's churn through this incredible journey together. Imagine a world where humans are constantly on the move, hunting and gathering to survive. Then, picture a transformative moment, a shift that changes everything. This is the story of how the domestication of animals revolutionized human life, paving the way for the rise of civilization. Our journey begins with the dawn of agriculture. When humans first began domesticating animals like cattle, sheep, goats, and pigs, it was more than just a new source of food. It was a game changer. These animals provided a stable, reliable supply of meat, milk, and other products. But it didn't stop there. Domesticated animals like oxen and horses became the engines of early agriculture. They plowed fields, making it possible to cultivate larger areas of land and produce more food than ever before. This agricultural revolution led to surplus food, which meant one crucial thing: people could settle down. With a stable food supply, humans were no longer forced to live a nomadic lifestyle. Villages grew into towns and towns into cities. This shift allowed for the specialization of labor. People could now become craftsmen, traders, or builders, rather than everyone being solely focused on finding food. Domesticated animals didn't just provide food, they became valuable assets. Livestock could be traded for goods, services, or even used as a form of currency. This early trade laid the foundation for complex economies and the development of wealth. But animals also played a role in shaping social structures. The ownership of livestock became a measure of wealth and status, contributing to the formation of social hierarchies. In many societies, the number of animals one owned could determine their place in the social order, influencing everything from politics to marriage prospects. This economic power led to the rise of early elites, who controlled large herds and, by extension, significant portions of the community's wealth. Transportation was another area where domesticated animals changed the game. Horses, donkeys, and camels made it possible for humans to travel farther, trade with distant communities, and expand their territories. This mobility didn't just spread goods, it spread ideas, cultures, and technologies. But animals weren't just for peaceful pursuits. In warfare, horses gave armies unprecedented speed and power. The introduction of cavalry and chariots transformed military strategies, allowing certain civilizations to conquer and control vast empires. The impact of domesticated animals on warfare can't be overstated. They were crucial to the rise and fall of ancient powers. Beyond their practical uses, domesticated animals held deep cultural and religious significance. They were often seen as symbols of power, fertility, and the divine. Many cultures incorporated animals into their rituals, myths, and art. In some societies, animals were even worshipped as sacred beings, becoming central to religious practices and beliefs. These animals didn't just sustain life, they shaped the spiritual and cultural identity of entire civilizations. From the cattle-herding tribes of Africa to the horse-revering nomads of Central Asia, domesticated animals were integral to the cultural fabric of human societies. However, the close relationship between humans and domesticated animals also had unintended consequences. On one hand, the consumption of animal products improved human nutrition, leading to better health and longer lifespans. On the other, living in close quarters with animals led to the spread of zoonotic diseases that jump from animals to humans. These diseases had profound impacts on human populations, sometimes leading to devastating epidemics. But this relationship also spurred human innovation in medicine and disease management. Over time, humans and animals co-evolved, shaping each other's genetics, behaviors, and even societal structures. The domestication of animals also transformed the environment. As humans cleared large areas of land for grazing and farming, the landscape itself changed. Deforestation, soil degradation, and the introduction of non-native species disrupted local ecosystems, leading to the extinction of some species and altering biodiversity. While these changes allowed for the growth of human populations and civilizations, they also set the stage for environmental challenges that we continue to face today. But not all impacts were practical or economic. The domestication of dogs, cats, and other animals provided humans with something equally important: companionship. These animals offered emotional support, protection, and a deep, enduring bond that has lasted through the ages. From the loyal dogs of ancient hunters to the beloved pets of today, the bond between humans and animals has had a lasting impact on our societies and cultures, enriching our lives in countless ways. The domestication of animals was more than just a turning point in human history. It was the foundation upon which civilizations were built. It shaped our diets, economies, cultures, and even our relationships with the natural world. As we look to the future, the legacy of animal domestication continues to influence how we live, work, and connect with the world around us. From ancient times to today, the story of humans and animals is one of partnership, innovation, and transformation, a story that continues to evolve. Thanks for watching this episode of Learning Churning. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into history, culture, and the world around us. Keep learning, keep churning, and we'll see you in the next video.